Our picture flame tea light candle holders are not only versatile in a variety of places, they are quite easy to use and assemble as well. Our suction cup feature is what makes the picture flame truly unique among all other tea light candle holders. The suction cups we utilize with our holders are strong, secure, and completely safe when used as directed. For an extra strong hold, we suggest using the wetting technique. Begin by wetting the tip of your finger ever so slightly with water. Be careful not to use too much water, as doing so will be counterproductive and will cause the suction cup to slip on the glass. Wet the outer edges of the suction cup to form a strong and secure bond. Apply the suction cup to the glass. Please note that the holder may not remain level upon initial application to the glass. This is normal. Now it is time to add the stabilizer pin. The stabilizer pin will be used to support the weight placed on top of the picture flame when in use. Place the loop of the stabilizer pin onto the nub portion of the suction cup. Please ensure to correctly place the position of the stabilizer pin as illustrated here with the loop of the pin facing up on the nub. If placed in the wrong position, as illustrated here with the loop facing down, the stabilizer pin will not work properly. Next, slightly raise the picture flame to engage the stabilizer pin. Position the stabilizer pin to the back of the picture flame just under the post in which the suction cup is attached to. Then, gently release the picture flame to form a level and stable base to securely support tea light candles or votives placed on top of the mirrored base of the picture flame. Once the stabilizer pin is in place, slightly press inward to ensure the suction cup is adhered securely to the glass and the stabilizer pin is firmly engaged. The picture flame is now fully assembled and is strong, secure, safe, and ready to enjoy.